I think we're rolling. But I can't exactly see through. Jeez.
This is yours.
At least he didn't get hurt.
Let's do it on the
Seems functional. Hi, Mom. Hi, Coach.
You want the rest of these stuffed shells
Okay,
for your lunch tomorrow?
yeah, I'll have it. Yeah, I did.
Not you. Not talking to you.
Yeah, I did.
Hello.
Wow.
Hey, Ma.
Yeah.
Is this thing still in zooming? Alright. Now, Ma.
Yeah.
Do you still have that tape so and it can show the tapes that you've recorded on this?
I don't have any left. No.
No, not the tapes. No, not the tapes. You know, you press the eject button and it opens, and then you take the tape and then you put it in, and then you close it and then you put it in the VCR and then it plays it.
Yeah, I think we still have that. I don't have any tapes for you to tape on right now, me and Dad, but you can watch the tape that we already have.
Yeah, 'cause I need it now.
Fine.
'Cause I need to make sure. Maybe this thing still works, except it just isn't going to let me see through this. The lens is busted, definitely.
It's a cat.
Joey, did you give me a fry?
It's running.
You know, I wasn't trying
It's the cat.
Yeah, no? Somebody.
Alright. And we stop filming.
What's this?